Herbal syrup is a famous traditional medicine with the effect of soothing coughs, nourishing the lungs, and cooling the throat, which has been passed down in Oriental folklore for hundreds of years. It all starts with simple medicinal herbs and a meticulous manual process. The first stage is where the camellia flowers are in full bloom. This is a precious ingredient with anti-inflammatory properties. Not only flowers, leaves are also an indispensable part. In Oriental medicine, leaves have the effect of soothing the bronchi, purifying the lungs, and strengthening resistance. Each leaf is carefully selected and gently picked to preserve the natural essence. After harvesting, the flowers and leaves are washed clean water. Dirt, impurities must be completely removed to preserve the medicinal properties and ensure the purity of the medicine. Each petal, each leaf are all treasured as precious ingredients. To extract all the essence from the raw materials, the worker needs a juice press, but not a modern one, but a completely handmade pressing frame made of wood. Each wooden bar is measured, cut precisely, and fits together with traditional knowledge. This is not only a tool, but also a testament to the wisdom of the ancients, simple but effective. After the press is completed, the artisan begins to collect fresh sugarcane, a key ingredient in creating the natural sweetness of the medicinal extract. The sugarcane is peeled, leaving only the juicy core. Next, each cane is placed into the wooden press, and by hand, the sweet sugarcane juice begins to flow out, carrying with it the sweetness of the earth and the sunlight. After being pressed, the sugarcane juice is poured into a large pot and started to boil over a fire. In the glowing fire, each layer of foam is carefully skimmed off, keeping only the most quintessential part. No added sugar, no sweeteners, just the natural, rich and refreshing sweetness of sugarcane, a base ingredient for ancient medicine. After many hours of continuous cooking, the sugarcane juice gradually turns dark brown and thickens like honey. This is a sign that the sweetness has reached its peak. The worker carefully scoops each ladle into the mold and lets the sugarcane solidify naturally. Next, the craftsman begins to prepare the main medicinal ingredients. Each camellia petal, each leaf, are all cut into small pieces by hand, carefully and evenly. Each cut not only helps the medicine dissolve easily, but also preserves the full flavor and essence. This is the starting step for the process of combining traditional medicinal ingredients, creating the soul of the precious medicine. After completing the preliminary processing, all the flowers and leaves are put into a large pot, preparing for the long process of cooking medicine. Next is honeysuckle, a famous medicinal herb in traditional medicine with the effect of clearing heat and detoxifying. The worker grinds each flower branch into a fine powder, then carefully adds it to the pot. Each herb, each step of preparation is strictly followed according to the ancient recipe. The craftsman continued to add two precious herbs, ginseng and tangerine peel, into the pot and mixed well. All the medicinal herbs, after being carefully prepared, are put into a large pot, from the leaves and flowers, honeysuckle, southern ginseng to tangerine peel. The worker adds pure spring water, then lights a fire and boils evenly so that each medicinal herb gradually releases its precious essence. After boiling for many hours, the herbs have released all their essence. The craftsman carefully removes the remaining part, then uses a clean cloth to filter each drop of the medicine, retaining the clearest, most concentrated, and purest liquid. The filtered juice is then poured into another clean pot. The craftsman continues to simmer, hour by hour, to concentrate the essence, extracting the natural sweetness and medicinal properties of the precious herbs. Next, the previously concentrated sugarcane is carefully removed from the mold. This thick, sweet substance not only softens the bitter taste of the herbs but also acts as a carrier to help the medicine penetrate and absorb easily. Next, the worker weighs the correct amount of fritillary bulb, about 10 to 20 grams, a precious medicinal herb used to dissolve phlegm and reduce coughs. These small medicinal roots are pounded very finely to blend perfectly with molasses and pre-cooked herbs. After crushing, it is passed through a sieve to filter out the finest powder. This powder will dissolve evenly in the syrup, helping to preserve all the medicinal properties and giving the final mixture a smooth texture. The fine powder is added to the pot, mixed with the cooked syrup. This is the soul of the medicine, helping to soothe the throat, reduce cough, and keep the bronchial tubes warm on cold days. After hours of simmering over low heat, the mixture gradually thickens, shimmering like honey. The worker carefully scoops each spoonful of medicine, pours it into a glass jar, and seals it for storage. Each drop of syrup is not only the essence of herbs, but also the crystallization of time, dedication, and a 1,000-year-old medical tradition.